Cats talk a lot of shit, but they ain't even in it yet. And the fact you lacking means I know your intellect. And your IQ don't really seem high, dude. So what I do is really rude. Once I get in the game, I'ma rearrange your frame and I leave you with nothing except some spare change. It's even if you got a couple pockets, cause you probably ain't even got nothing while you walking. Down the strip where you living, where you got a fucking box where you stash all your children. And that's pretty fucked up. I don't care though, cause I got dough while you chillin' on welfare, ho. So I'm like, shit, look at this, my flow liquid this. Y'all's like a little bitch. You sound as if you was a little trick, paying for the pussy while the hoes poppin' for me quick. I love you doing my thing.